The Keyop, as I said, is a program that is funded by the government of Kenya to enable young people acquire skills which they can use to earn a living. And this program adopted apprenticeship program where a master craftsman who is certified by NITA is given a maximum of 6 trainees who will go through 5 months of training to acquire skills in a practical manner. And then before the 5 months, they will have gone through a training of life skills. This is preparing them, giving them the mental aptitude, the attitude on how to work in a workplace. So when COVID came in March and when it was announced as a national problem and activities were suspended, Keyop also suspended its program. But the objective of Keyop was to give young people skills. And in the process, when that happened, so many young people have been suffering. And that's why we've decided that we want to make sure that we resume training so that Keyop can achieve its objective of giving young people the skills to work, as well as also ensuring that they are safe in the process of doing so. So this week and next week, we will be visiting all Keyop master craftsmen to assess their readiness and compliance to the Ministry of Health